In this video we show you how easy our rain cover is to handle and how it protects your instrument. The rain cover is small and light when it is combined. If it starts raining, the cover is spread easily and quickly. A case can be accommodated in it easily and quickly. The Velcro fastener provides extra grip and the zip closure pulls the cover tightly to the case. With rain, a normal case will protect your instrument limited, mostly because the zippers are the weak point. The rain cover surrounds the case and the zippers and provides additional protection. Water or raindrops drop smoothly off the surface of the rain cover. This is because the material is made very fine and closely and is provided with additional impregnation. As fast as the rain cover is unpacked, it can of course be put back together again and can be packed up in the small integrated pocket. Thanks for watching.